Apple Pay is now live. You can pay for goods with your iPhone 6 or 6 Plus at many retailers, including McDonald's, Macy's, and Whole Foods Market, where we are right now. Now, I've been testing it out. A handful of people have been coming up to try it, and it is so fast. The amazing thing is how fast everything goes. You just put the iPhone up, put your finger on the sensor, and you're done.
It's great.
Okay, so what do you think?
It's super convenient. It's like just slide and touch your finger and it's done.
I won't say I'm astounded, but I'm pretty amazed by how fast everything goes, and you could really get used to this. You don't have to open your wallet, you don't have to pull out your credit card, you don't have to sign anything, you just put your fingerprint down, and I think that's pretty intoxicating. If you don't see branding in the store, just look for this logo on the pin pad near the cash register. That lets you know that they accept mobile payments. You paid by check, you watched me pay on my phone. What did you think of that?
I think that was really special.
To start with Apple Pay, go to Settings to update your software to the latest version. From there, adding a credit card to the Passbook app on the iPhone is as simple as taking a photo. You'll need to add your expiration date and security code, and also make sure you've set up the Touch ID fingerprint sensor. While some of us tech-savvy geeks enjoyed the new payment system, some of the folks we met at Walgreens weren't so ready to ditch the physical wallet.
I would feel safer with my own credit card and my name on it.
What do you think about paying on an iPhone?
I think that's really more handy, but I left mine in the car, so I didn't do that.
Reporting from El Segundo, California, I'm Jefferson Graham.